a Samsung fan or just someone who's excited about the latest tech, you're in for a treat today. Just days ahead of the launch, we've got some juicy details that have leaked regarding the Galaxy S24 FE, Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. And this time, it's coming directly from Samsung themselves. So let's dive right into it. So here's the scoop. Samsung accidentally published official product pages for the Galaxy S24 FE and the new tablets. And while they've been taken down quickly, some eagle-eyed folks managed to grab screenshots before they disappeared into the digital abyss. This accidental leak gives us not only pricing, but also some confirmed specs. So let's break down the essential details, shall we? First up is the Galaxy S24 FE, which will come in two storage options. 128GB variant priced at $649.99. 256GB version for $709.99. But here's the kicker. It looks like the S24 FE is going to be a bit more expensive than its predecessor. So if you're eyeing this device, you might want to budget a little extra. Now let's talk tablets. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra have some enticing pricing as well that matches their predecessors. For the Tab S10 Plus, 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage at $999.99. 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage at $1,119.99. For the Tab S10 Ultra, 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage at $1,199.99. 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage at $1,319.99. And if you're a power user, there's a hopping 1 TB version for $1,619.99. Wow, those prices for the tablets definitely keep pace with the premium market, but seem reasonable for what you're getting. Now, if you're wondering about colors, here's what we know. The Galaxy S24 FE will come in blue, graphite, gray, and mint. However, it seems the yellow variant will not be available in the US. As for the tablets, you can expect moonstone gray and platinum silver options. What about availability? The Galaxy S24 FE is set to hit the US shelves on October 3rd, while the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and Tab S10 Ultra are expected to launch the following day, October 4th. However, some lucky markets might have access as early as September 26th. Alright, let's take a closer look at the specs of the Galaxy S24 FE, which, despite the official leak, still has some intriguing features we expect to see. A 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a resolution of 2340x1080 pixels, a peak brightness of 1900 nits, and a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate, powered by the Samsung Exynos 2400E processor, a robust camera system with a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and 8-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom. Plus, it features a 10-megapixel front camera, a decent 4,700 mAh battery supporting 25-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging. And of course, it packs 8GB of RAM and storage options of 128GB and 256GB with an aluminum frame and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, plus for durability. So, to summarize, we now have confirmed pricing for the Galaxy S24 FE and the Galaxy Tab S10 series. Samsung's making some bold choices with this lineup, some more expensive than we expected, especially with the absence of a base model tablet. But with all these features, it might just be worth it. What do you think about these leaks? Are you excited for the Galaxy S24 FE or the Tab S10 series? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech news and reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.